I have to give bull to this design. Hello scientists, I am going to critique some AI generated cover from the journal ACS. Why am I qualified to do this? I literally designed 2 covers for this publisher and now they're using AI to replace my job. Here is my revenge. I'm going to judge if the AI has done a better job than I did. My assistant is holding this bullshit button. If the cover is horrible, I will press the button. If the cover is well designed, I will clap for the AI. Everybody deserves recognition, even if they're a machine. If you support human design, give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. Support your local human artist. This is how I would judge the covers. I will guess what this cover is about. Then we go into the paper and check if the cover is presenting the paper well. Synthetic biology. What is going on here? This looks like a virus cross-section and see the genetic material. There are some jelly-like vesicles around the virus. I think this paper is about virology research. Now let's go check the paper. This is not a viral study. Their research subject is Chlamydomonas reinhardtii. Have a search. Oh, this is an algae. The thing we see in the cover looks nothing like the organism. They should be green and they look so adorable. But none of these features are shown in the cover. This is an epic fail. Let me get the bullshit button from my assistant. I hope the authors don't take my critique personally. They have a good graphic abstract, so I don't understand why they don't put the same effort into choosing the cover art. When you use a generative AI, you get at least 4 options. At least make it green. You cannot get away with this. The jelly balls are actually gold nanoparticles. The texture looks nothing like gold. It looks more like amber. At least get the material of the particles right. Unfortunately, I have to give bullshit. Yes, I give it twice because there's a failure on the organism and a failure on the nanoparticles. This is the second cover in the same issue. I actually don't think this is AI. The reason is it does have a background. I don't know if you can write a prompt incorporating a photography into your generated AI. If you guys know the prompt, let me know in the comments. I will still do the same AI check on this image. What is this paper about? I think it is about a cellular function, like a procedure for transporting a certain molecule. If you have a closer look into these particles, they have these molecules inside. This is why I think this is not an AI generated image. The details are very elaborate and they look very intentional. I highly suspect this is a human made design. Okay, let me get into the paper. Recent events in multiple strategy of monoterpenoid overproduction in Saccharomyces. Oh my god, it's so hard to read the name of these organisms. I think the cover is a good representation of their paper. How the cell works internally, a factory assembly line inside of the cell. No bullshit for this cover. This paper has passed the test. They also have a really beautiful graphic abstract. Congratulations. On to the next one. Is this AI? I am not sure. This will be really expensive if it's made by a human designer because you need to build a robot model and then assemble these elements together. I think like 50-50. I'm actually not sure. Now I'll guess what the paper is about. Using AI and cloud storage to analyze molecules. Some like neural link technology that can allow you to use your mind to control your pacemaker. I think I just made up a really cool story. Let's have a look. Introduction: wearable devices. Wearable devices include smart watches, virtual reality glasses, skin patches. Now I am 90% sure this is an AI generated cover. If I were the designer, I will use a actual human instead of a robot. The authors actually gave their thoughts on the design inspiration. In the cover art, the left human wears a smart light emitting patch. The human has metallic skin, so it looks more like a robot. If I were a designer, I would give the left half a skin tone. 95% sure this is an AI design. Human designer know how to use the design software. It's very easy to change the material of a 3D model. When you use a generative AI, it's hard to use prompts to make a specific change. I think this is a good design. It is accurate in illustrating what is happening in their paper. This is a good practice of using generative AI. Next one. This one is very AI. It has the orange-blue color tone that is very prevalent in generated art. I'm not sure what this spaghetti ocean is. It could be membrane protein. Maybe this paper is about DNA transportation, reagentless and single-step nanomolar detection of C-reactive protein. Where is the C-reactive protein in the cover? I see a DNA. I see no protein. Unfortunately, this will be a fail. What I find really funny is they have good graphical abstract. It look professional, clean, and with the right structures. Somehow the good design practice is not translated into the cover art. They probably had difficulties asking AI to create an accurate C-reactive protein. I don't think there's much learning material on the internet for AI. If you discover something new and you want to properly illustrate it, then hire a scientific illustrator like me. This is a cartoon for the community of chemical biologists. I think this is totally fine. The aim of the cover is to attract viewers. However, I do need to give my 2 cents into the design. Since it's about a community, you should have more than one scientist. Well, the researcher is holding 2 strands of DNA. That is kind of a surrealism, which I think is fine because this actually can rage bait some scientists who are very obsessed about being right. They can write hate mails to the journal and making a big fuss about the scale of the DNA is wrong. You should not be able to hold DNA in your hand. Well, in terms of the overall design, I think it's very suitable for its purpose because we can see a wet bench. That's where scientists work every day, so it's very relatable. I do have problems with the petri dish. The lines are not sharp. This gives me the impression that this petri dish are made by a soft material like rubber instead of a hard plastic. As long as it can attract attention, it should be fine. I will not give a bullshit to this cover. The next one. This one tricked me at the first glance because I thought this was human-made design. This is really well done. Great lighting, and the gold material is very shiny. There's a big contrast between the soft and the hard material. Contrast between the organic and inorganic. So I thought this was a designed cover by human. Then I zoom in, I realize a lot of the details are not refined. It looks very AI in the shadow. The highlight on the organic material is a bit flat. You can easily fix this with Photoshop. Just add a few touches of highlight. I think the author did a great selection. But this one is not bullshit. I really like this design. However, I still need to check the paper. Seeing complexes of T1 to NL transmetalling with copper ion introducing. There are too many words that I don't understand in the title. They have a beautiful graphic abstract in the paper. And what I really like is that the cover is coherent with the graphic abstract. Look, we have a tumor. I think this is a tumor, right? Yes, tumor microenvironment. You can see the tumor microenvironment in the cover as well. This is a well done job. Okay, the final one. This is the most awful one I've seen. Pomegranate with a brain inside of it. What is this disgusting design? This looks like an alien infestation in a pomegranate. The delicious juicy seeds has turned into alien eggs. This just ruined pomegranate for me. We have stop anaeogenesis. What is this? The spelling is wrong in the image. If you put some effort into checking your image, you will see the wrong spelling. This is what I keep saying. It is okay to use AI, but you need to carefully check if the quality of the image is good. Otherwise, you'll be showing your ignorance to the entire world, and that will be really embarrassing. That will not be good for the reputation of your paper. Unfortunately, we'll have to give you the bullshit alert.
Bullshit detected. Take precaution.
The bullshit rate is 50% in the cover I chose for this video. Do you have more horrible AI images? Send them to me. I want to call them out and give them the bullshit alert. They have stolen all of my job, and this is what they deserve. Remember to give a like to support the human artist and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next video.